The moon, our closest celestial neighbor. A constant presence in our night sky, it has been a silent witness to the evolution of life on Earth. A pearly orb hanging in the blackness of space, it has been a beacon of light and mystery for as long as humans have looked up. Since the dawn of humanity, it has captivated our imaginations. Ancient civilizations built monuments aligned with its phases, and early astronomers meticulously charted its movements. For millennia, we've told stories about it, written songs about it, and woven it into the very fabric of our cultures. From myths and legends to lullabies and poetry, the moon has been a muse for countless generations. We have gazed up at it with wonder, pondering its mysteries and dreaming of what lies beyond. Children and adults alike have found solace and inspiration in its gentle glow. The moon has been a source of inspiration for poets, artists, and scientists alike. Its phases have inspired countless works of art, and its surface has been a subject of scientific inquiry for centuries. Its gentle glow illuminates our night, casting a serene light on landscapes and waters, creating a sense of calm and wonder. Its presence influences life on Earth in profound ways. The moon's gravitational pull affects the tides, which in turn influence marine life and coastal ecosystems. It's more than just a pretty face in the sky. The moon's surface, with its craters and maria, tells a story of cosmic collisions and ancient volcanic activity. The moon plays a crucial role in shaping our planet's environment. It dictates the tides, stabilizes our rotation, and even affects the length of our days. Without the moon, our world would be a very different place. The moon's gravitational effects extend beyond just the tides. It helps to stabilize the tilt of Earth's axis, which in turn regulates our climate and seasons. Understanding the moon means understanding a fundamental part of our own world. Scientists continue to study its surface, composition, and history to unlock the secrets of our solar system. So let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this celestial marvel. From the Apollo missions to future lunar explorations, humanity's quest to understand the moon continues. Let's delve into the science and stories woven into the fabric of our very own moon. Join us as we explore its mysteries, its influence on our planet, and its place in the cosmos. The moon, our constant companion, has much to teach us. How old is the moon? Scientists estimate it formed roughly 4.5 billion years ago. That's not long after our solar system itself came into being. The prevailing theory suggests the moon was born from a cataclysmic event. A Mars-sized object slammed into the young Earth. This collision ejected a massive amount of debris into space. Over time, this debris coalesced, drawn together by gravity. Eventually, it formed the spherical satellite we know and love today. It's a dramatic origin story for our celestial companion, and it speaks to the dynamic and often violent history of our corner of the universe. Ever dreamed of taking a giant leap on the moon? You'd be able to jump much higher than here on Earth. That's because the moon's gravity is weaker. Gravity depends on mass. The moon is much less massive than Earth. This means its gravitational pull is only about 1/6 as strong. An object that weighs 100 pounds on Earth would weigh a mere 16 pounds on the moon. This difference in gravity has profound effects on how objects move and interact on the lunar surface. It's one of the reasons why astronauts were able to bound across the lunar landscape with such ease. The moon may seem close, especially on those nights when it dominates the sky, casting its silvery glow over everything below. But in reality, it's actually quite far away, separated by the vast expanse of space that stretches between us. On average, it sits about 238,900 miles from Earth, a distance that is hard to truly comprehend. To give you a better idea, that's roughly equivalent to circling the Earth 10 times. Imagine traveling around the entire planet 10 times over. That's the kind of distance we're talking about. To put it into perspective, if you could drive to the moon at a steady 60 miles per hour, it would take you about 166 days of non-stop driving. That's nearly half a year of continuous travel without a single break. This distance, however, isn't constant. The moon's journey around Earth is more complex than a simple circle. The moon's orbit isn't a perfect circle, but slightly elliptical, meaning it has points where it is closer to and farther from Earth. This means its distance from Earth varies slightly over time, sometimes bringing it closer, and other times taking it farther away. These variations in distance have subtle but measurable effects on Earth's tides. The gravitational pull of the moon influences the rise and fall of our ocean tides, creating a rhythmic dance that has been happening for billions of years. When the moon is closer, its gravitational pull is stronger, leading to higher tides. Conversely, when it is farther away, the tides are not as pronounced. The moon also goes through phases, changing its appearance from new moon to full moon and back again. These phases are a result of its position relative to Earth and the Sun. Despite the distance, the moon has always fascinated humanity. From ancient civilizations to modern-day astronomers, it has been a source of wonder and inspiration. Our fascination led us to explore it firsthand, with astronauts landing on its surface and bringing back samples that have deepened our understanding of this celestial neighbor. Standing on the moon and looking back at Earth, one can truly appreciate the vast distance that separates us, yet also feel a profound connection to our home planet. The moon, with its distant yet ever-present glow, reminds us of the vastness of space and the beauty of our universe. It is a silent companion, always there, watching over us from afar. Section 5. The moon's pull. Even from afar, the moon exerts a powerful influence on our planet. Its gravity is the primary driver of Earth's tides. So, how does this work? Well, the moon's gravity tugs on the Earth's oceans, pulling the water towards itself. This creates a bulge of water on the side of Earth facing the moon. A corresponding bulge occurs on the opposite side of Earth. This is due to inertia, as the water on that side is less affected by the moon's gravity. As the Earth rotates, these bulges of water travel across its surface, creating the high and low tides we experience daily. Gazing upon the moon, we see a world of stark beauty. Its surface, a tapestry of light and shadow, reveals a history marked by ancient impacts. Unlike Earth, the moon has no atmosphere to speak of. This means there's no weather to erode its surface features. Craters formed billions of years ago remain remarkably well preserved. The moon's most prominent features are its maria, vast dark plains of solidified lava. These maria formed early in the moon's history when volcanic eruptions flooded its surface. Scattered across the lunar landscape are towering mountains, deep valleys, and countless craters. Each feature tells a story about the moon's tumultuous past. Despite centuries of study, the moon still holds many secrets. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries that challenge our understanding of this celestial body. For example, recent missions have detected evidence of water ice lurking in permanently shadowed craters at the moon's poles. This discovery has significant implications for future lunar exploration. The composition of the moon's interior also remains somewhat of a mystery. Scientists are eager to learn more about its core and mantle, to gain a better understanding of its formation and evolution. The moon continues to be an enigma, a source of endless fascination for scientists and stargazers alike. Throughout history, cultures around the world have woven myths and legends about the moon. Its celestial presence has inspired countless stories. In some cultures, the moon is seen as a deity, often associated with femininity, fertility, and the cycle of life. Its phases are believed to hold special significance. Other tales portray the moon as a trickster or a source of magic and mystery. These stories often reflect our deepest fears and aspirations, our connection to the cosmos, and our place in the universe. These legends, passed down through generations, remind us of the enduring power of the moon to capture our imaginations and shape our cultural identities. The moon continues to beckon us, a celestial destination ripe for exploration. Its silvery glow has fascinated humanity for millennia, inspiring myths, legends, and scientific curiosity. As we gaze upon its cratered surface, we are reminded of the vast potential that lies beyond our home planet. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in returning to the moon. This renewed enthusiasm is driven by advancements in technology, international collaboration, and the desire to push the boundaries of human exploration. Space agencies, private companies, and even new spacefaring nations are all contributing to this collective effort. Space agencies around the world are planning new missions to study the lunar surface in greater detail, search for resources, and even establish a permanent human presence. These missions aim to uncover the moon's geological history, understand its potential for supporting life, and utilize its resources to sustain future space endeavors. The vision of a lunar base, once a concept of science fiction, is now becoming a tangible goal. The moon represents a stepping stone to further exploration of our solar system. By mastering the challenges of lunar exploration, we prepare ourselves for more ambitious missions to Mars and beyond. The knowledge and experience gained from living and working on the moon will be invaluable as we venture deeper into space. It offers a unique environment to test technologies and conduct scientific research that could pave the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. The moon's low gravity, harsh environment, and proximity to Earth make it an ideal testing ground for new space technologies, life support systems, and sustainable living practices. Scientists are eager to analyze lunar samples, conduct experiments, and develop innovative solutions to the challenges of space exploration. The moon, once a distant object of wonder, is now within our reach. Our advancements in space travel have brought us closer to this enigmatic neighbor, transforming it from a mere point of light in the night sky to a destination we can explore and understand. Each mission to the moon brings us new insights and discoveries, fueling our curiosity and ambition. As we continue to explore its mysteries, we unlock not only the secrets of the moon itself, but also a deeper understanding of our own planet and our place in the vast expanse of space. The moon serves as a mirror, reflecting our aspirations and the boundless potential of human ingenuity. With each step we take on its surface, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that await us in the cosmos. The journey to the moon is not just about reaching a destination. It's about expanding the horizons of human knowledge and capability, inspiring future generations to dream big and reach for the stars.